Thank you, maintenance and custodian staff. We really appreciate you.
You guys are why we are able to function day in and day out, and we are entirely grateful for you. Thank you all.
I'd like to thank the custodians for keeping our home clean and taking care of all of our area, making sure everything's always clean.
Thank you, custodians, for taking the time out of your day to clean up the school's messes.
Thank you, custodians, for keeping our school clean, cleaning up the messes we made at our school, and coming here working hard every day to keep the school beautiful.
Whenever I do have to call and say maybe there's a scary animal or a snake, they always come running, and we really appreciate and love them. Thank you.
Thank you, custodians, for cleaning our school. I appreciate y'all cleaning our school, and y'all do a very good job.
Thank you to our entire maintenance team for always taking care of our school.
You
are
amazing.
Thank you for everything you do and all the hard work you put in to keep our school clean.
Thank you for keeping our hallways and our athletic areas clean.
To all the maintenance and operations and custodial teams, thank you so much for keeping our facilities running all day and everything nice and clean.
Thank you guys for all y'all do. We are so appreciative of what y'all do. And for all the schools, thank y'all so much.
We know that you do so many things behind the scenes to keep us up and running. So on behalf of the administration team, we just want to say thank you.
Thank you.